CH3F Lewis structure, that is fluoromethane Lewis dot structure. Carbon has 4 valence electron, hydrogen has 1 valence electron, multiply by 3 as we have 3 hydrogen atom. Then fluorine has 7 valence electron. So 4 plus 3 plus 7. So totally we have 14 valence electron in fluoromethane molecule. This 14 valence electron has two tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 5 atoms together, and the second task is to satisfy the octet and duet of the atom attached to the central atom. Here carbon is the central atom because it has the highest capacity of making bond or least electronegative. Hydrogen is always considered a outer atom. So let me connect. For connecting, use just two dots for every pair of atom. We have connected all 5 atoms together. Now we need to satisfy the octet of outer atom. Out of 14, we have used 2, 4, 6, 8. So then 10, 12, 14. We have used all the 14 valence electrons. Now count for octet. Octet, duet, duet, duet. Now count for octet of central atom carbon. So this is the Lewis dot structure. You can replace this bonding pair by a dash. So this is the structural formula of fluoromethane, or another form of writing Lewis dot structure.